Is your Nissan Pathfinder's alarm constantly blaring? Here's why. Most commonly, it's due to faulty door hood switches that corrode, especially in humid climates, or a weak key fob battery causing erratic signals. Most commonly, it's due to faulty door hood switches that corrode, especially in humid climates, or a weak key fob battery causing erratic signals. The RF antenna, responsible for receiving signals from your key fob, can also be affected by interference, especially near EV chargers. Newer Pathfinders, 2024 plus, see increased issues due to electrical noise from regenerative braking systems. We'll help you pinpoint the cause. Start by inspecting the door and hood switches for corrosion or looseness, as these are common causes of false alarms. Clean the switch contacts with electrical grease to restore electrical continuity, or replace the switches if they're damaged. Replace the battery in your key fob, as a low or dead battery can cause erratic signaling and false alarms. Test the key fob away from potential radio frequency interference, such as metal structures or electronic devices. For modern Pathfinders, check for over-the-air software updates that can resolve RF antenna problems. If issues persist, have a mechanic use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, such as U1000 for CAN bus faults. Explore community forums for Pathfinder owners to discover proven DIY fixes and troubleshooting tips.